Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to make some purchases on your Apple device but you are facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply update or re-enter or verify your payment method. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings, and then you have to go to your profile, and then go to payment and shipping, and enter your password. And wait here for some seconds again. And from here you have to simply verify your payment method and your billing information as well. So guys, you can see this, you have to simply add your payment method correctly and your billing information correctly as well. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and now go to payment and shipping again. And from here you have to simply delete your payment method from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. And after this go back and restart your device and then sign in your Apple ID again, and then re-enter your payment method to your payment and shipping options from here as well. So guys, simply add your payment method again, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back and go for the next solution, that is you have to go to screen time, and from here scroll it below and go to content and privacy restrictions and turn off all the restrictions from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply update your device to the latest version and disconnect any VPN on your device. Go to general, then software update and update your software. After this go back and now go to VPN and device management, and if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it from here, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to simply open your support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So as you have to simply explain your problem to the Apple team, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.